Hi, I'm Phelyna Ngu. I found the perfect Indialantic home for you right in one of my favorite communities, River Shores East. This pool home is conveniently located just minutes to the beach, right by your shopping centers, grocery stores. This home also has RV hookup for RV parking as well as boat parking. This is a nice oversized lot at 0.34 acres with a circle driveway. Let's go take a look.
We're better than that. I know you know, so why we holding on?
You're really gonna love this floor plan.
Yeah, seems like we're back on stop ago. I go red and you go left before it turns to red.
We have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a split floor plan. You're really gonna love this footprint. I really want to show it to you. Let's go.
We could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear.
It's nice, it's open, it's spacious, and it flows really well. You've got the back end area of the home, where's your owner's suite. It has your master. You can turn it into a nursery or your office, and then you kind of flow right into an open area here. You've got 2 living rooms. So living room 1, we just passed, and this is living room 2. And then you've got on this side of the home, you've got your 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So total 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. In the heart of it all, you have this kitchen. Lots of cabinet space, large island, lots of countertop space. Let's walk into the owner's suite. So here you have your nice open master on this side of your owner's suite. This bathroom though, fully remodeled, spacious, and extremely spa-like to complete your master suite. And this way you have what you can make into your nursery, a 2nd bedroom, or an office.
Did it all for you. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you.
To complete your tranquil beach lifestyle, let's take a look at your backyard.
Seems like we're back on stop ago. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true.
This house completes all of your Florida needs. If you're looking for a home with a hot tub, a pool, enough space for RV and boat parking, and completely turnkey, give me a call today.